Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who's tired of warm drinks on camping trips, dealing with melting ice in coolers that leak everywhere, or wanting a portable fridge that plugs into your car without draining the battery, then get pumped because today we're chilling with a road trip essential. It's the Newair portable electric car camping cooler. This rugged cooler has 44 quart capacity for up to 60 cans, dual voltage for car or home use, and heavy-duty construction for off-road adventures. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want to keep food and drinks cold for days with easy portability and smart power management, this is the cooler that'll make your camping, tailgating, or road trips way more enjoyable. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a cool companion in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Newair portable electric car camping cooler. This is a 44 quart electric cooler with thermoelectric cooling that reaches down to 36 degrees Fahrenheit below ambient temperature, holding up to 60 12-ounce cans or various food items with removable dividers for organization. It runs on 12-volt DC for car use via cigarette lighter or 110-volt AC for home outlets, with a low power mode to prevent battery drain and an automatic shutoff when voltage drops low. The build is tough with a rugged ABS plastic exterior that's impact resistant, UV protected to prevent fading, and has a retractable handle with wheels for easy rolling over rough terrain. Inside, it's insulated with CFC-free polyurethane foam for long-lasting cold retention, even when unplugged for hours. It has a digital display for temperature control from 36 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing cooling or warming modes. Additional features include a USB port for charging devices, a drain plug for easy cleaning, and tie-down points for securing in vehicles. Dimensions are 22.4 inches long by 15.7 wide by 20 high, weighing about 28 pounds empty for portability. Setup is simple. Plug it in, set the temp, and load it up. No ice needed. Priced around $149, it's energy efficient with low amp draw for extended use. Versatility is a standout. Use it for camping to keep perishables fresh, in cars for road trips with cold snacks, or even at home as extra fridge space. The warming mode is great for keeping food hot too. Yeah, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are chilling strong, dual voltage for car and home flexibility, rugged build with wheels and handle for easy transport, efficient cooling without ice for mess-free use, digital controls for precise temps and battery protection, and large capacity with organization for group trips. Users love how it maintains cold for days, the quiet operation that doesn't disturb sleep, and the durability that handles bumps. It's reliable, convenient, and turns any outing into a picnic. On the con side, the 28-pound weight can be hefty when full, cooling takes time to reach lowest temps, no built-in battery, so it needs constant power, and some note the lid seal could be tighter for extreme cold retention, though most say it's solid for general use. Overall, pros dominate for outdoor lovers. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Newair portable electric car camping cooler. If you camp or travel often and the pros like portability, no ice cooling, and power management make sense for you, it's ideal for campers, road trippers, or tailgaters wanting fresh food without the hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your adventures chilling, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a travel buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.